Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this picture. It's so pixelized, I can't really tell, but I think there's a dark outline around it. And I'm going to be using the envelope tool, which I've done many times on these videos. And I've done it here. And I decided to go ahead and instead of just trying to help him, I actually copied the color onto this one. But we're going to zoom in because there is a little bit of trick to this. I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard and get an outline, and I'm going to put like 0.75 in black. Now it's still a group, so the envelope tool is going to work. Just go over here to the envelope tool, which is underneath your shadow flyout. But here's the key. You need to have these selected. Sometimes they just won't be selected and you got to kind of play around with it. But make sure these are highlightable. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take with the shape tool. I always do it. It doesn't really matter in this case. I'm going to get rid of those two middle nodes. And then if you see I get the envelope tool and they're not highlighted, well, you need to use the pick tool to pick it. And then go to the envelope tool and then go to putty. That's what I was trying to get at. See, they're not highlighted. So what makes the difference? Right there, add a new envelope form. Use the single arc mode. If you use a double arc mode, you're going to have to manipulate some stuff. This is an arc from there to there. If we use the other double arc, it's pretty good, but see, it's not bringing it up. You can see that arrow. You'd have to bring this up there to get it. So if you use the single arc mode right there, it'll start from that node to that node, and you can go as little or as much as you want on it to make it kind of match that. Now, he actually asked him for the font. He actually sent me the font. Let's make it a little bit wider to begin with, and then go to the envelope tool. Make sure it's set on single arc, and it's going to be a little more defined. The inner two letters or the outer letters are going to get bigger and look better. And then, of course, just use the same font if you have to do the rescue. And let's just do it with the yellow box trick to see if that black kind of stands out. You can't really see it on the white. Go to order backup page and see how the black border kind of stands out. Now, I don't know if that's the case, but that's the way it looks in this picture. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.